Let's talk about questions. Why questions, I hear you say? Questions are totally important because the best information the customer has got to make a purchase is actually in their head. It's our job to get that information out of them so we can see how we can help them. That idea that salespeople have the gift of the gab, well, that's old-fashioned now. It's all about asking the right type of questions at the right time. So here we go. Here are some conversation starting questions. What triggered you downloading our white paper? What made you agree to meet up with me today? Just out of interest, what triggered your interest when we first spoke? Conversation starting questions, easy. Next one, the problem questions. How would you describe the challenge you're facing at the moment? What challenges have you encountered when you've been trying to fix this problem so far? Problem questions, easy. Now we get to the probing questions. Here's a probing question. Can you tell me more about this? Why is this important to the business? So these are probing questions. Very important. Now some solution questions. What should the ideal solution look like for you? Would you have a timeline developing the solution? What are you looking for in a solution provider? Very simple. The solution questions. Here are some buying process questions. Who, besides yourself of course, would be involved in deciding what to do next? What do you see as the next logical step from a decision-making perspective? Now some commitment questions. Would a recap on where we are now and that followed by a proposal be a useful step, do you think? One way of taking this forward would be through a trial. Is this something that you would be interested in? What do you see as the next step? Different types of questions for different parts of the sales process. And why questions are so important is very simple. The best information and the best reasons for a purchase are actually in the prospect's head. Like the video and share it. The more we share, the more we learn. Bye for now.